Modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles come equipped with a rain light sensor. The sensor detects the presence of rain on the windshield and automatically adjusts the windshield wiper speed based on the intensity of the rain. It also automatically turns on the headlights when ambient light reaches a low level. The sensor requires an adaptation when it or the windshield is replaced. A sensor needing calibration may set the fault B1090 OCP-Overhead. The rain sensor has a malfunction. Connect a suitable vehicle power supply. After auto identification of the vehicle, enter the Diagnostic menu. Select the year range of the vehicle you are working on. Tap Individual System Search. Tap Body System. Tap Overhead Control Panel. Prepare vehicle and press Enter to continue. Module information is displayed. Press Enter to continue. Tap Adaptation. Tap Rain Light Sensor. On this screen, there are two options. Select the first option. We replace the rain light sensor. Select Parameterization and Windshield Adaptation. Use a white piece of paper to identify your glass type. Press Enter to continue. Select your glass type. In our example, we have clear glass. Coating will occur. Press Enter to continue. Read and understand message. Press Enter to continue. Wait for adaptation. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation if successful. Thanks for watching, and check out the video description for bonus information on rain light sensor and adaptation.